JESSA R Sotillo, and today I am going to identify the parts of the sewing machine. But before that, let me introduce to you this machine in front of me. So this machine is the so-called lock stitch machine, or also called domestic sewing machine. So this is commonly used in homes and sometimes in school. This is run only by foot and sometimes converted into electric power machine. This lock stitch machine, or the domestic sewing machine, it has two major parts: the upper portion or the upper part, and the lower portion or the lower part. So this upper portion or upper part has three parts also, commonly known as the head. The head, this is the complete sewing machine without the cabinet and stand. The arm, this is the arm, which consists mechanism and operating the needle. And the third one is the bed. This is the bed. This is the flat form of the upper part of the sewing machine. So these are the three parts of the upper portion of the sewing machine. So at this juncture, I am going to identify all the parts of this sewing machine. So let's start. So this part is the so-called spoon pin. So the next one is the thread take-up lever. The thread take-up lever. This one is the presser bar lifter. This one is the presser bar lifter. This one is the presser bar. This part is the faceplate. The faceplate. This part is the tension. This one is the needle bar. And this part is the needle club. And this is the needle. This part is the stitch regulator. And this part is the bobbin winder. And this part is the belt. And this part is the stop motion. And this is the fed dog. And this one is the throat plate. And this is the slide plate. The side plate. As you can see here, this is the shuttle. The shuttle. And this is the bobbin and the bobbin case. So we are done identifying the parts of the upper portion of the sewing machine. So let's now move on to the lower portion of the sewing machine. So the first one is the cabinet. This is the cabinet. And this is the screw, the screws. And this is the threadle, the threadle. And this one is the band wheel crank, the belt guide. And this is the Petman rod. And this is the legs. So I guess I am done in identifying all the parts of this lock stitch machine. And that would be